Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today I have some incredible news to share with you. We introduce you to Archethic Wallet 2.1, the latest version set to revolutionize your blockchain experience. From seamless NFT creation to unprecedented flexibility, this update will take your digital asset experience to new heights. So let's dive right in. One of the highlights of this update is the introduction of new functionalities of NFT creation. Until now, you could create NFTs using images from your phone's photo library or local files. These details were introduced directly in blockchain transactions with the maximum file size limits of 3 MB. However, we're taking it a step further. In version 2.1, we're introducing a new feature: the ability to link your Archethic's NFT to external resources. This means that now you can host your NFTs without code on iWeb, our blockchain static site hosting service, on IPFS or any HTTPS link. The beauty of this feature is that it removes file size limitations, resulting in reduced creation fees for your NFTs. The blockchain no longer stores the content of the associated file, bringing down costs significantly. And let me tell you, the fees on Archethic blockchain are already impressively low. Integrating these links into your NFT is a breeze. Simply enter past the link's address, and our wallet will automatically incorporate it into the NFT content. A seamless and efficient process allowing you to unleash your creativity without boundaries. It's important to note that when using iWeb on HTTP protocol, the content associated with this link may evolve. Let's consider an example to illustrate the possibilities. Imagine an NFT representing a sword from video game and hosted on HTTP address. The sword remains the same, but the appearance can dynamically change based on your character's progress, granting it new powers and abilities. The potential applications of NFT are endless. But that's not all. In addition to this improvement, version 2.1 of the Archethic wallet now enables seamless interaction with decentralized applications. This opens up a world of possibilities for you to explore and engage the growing decentralized ecosystem. To learn more about this exciting feature, you can check out our video down below that delves deeper into integration of decentralized application with our wallet. As always, you can download the Archethic wallet from the official stores of Google, Apple, and Microsoft. You can find the links in the description. We're thrilled to bring you in this new version of the Archethic wallet, designed to exceed your expectations. Thank you for tuning in and be part of our blockchain journey. Stay connected, and I see you very soon. Bye.